I need to repair before I put my house on the market? This is one of the biggest questions I get from my sellers. I'm here with 5 tips that will have your house for sale ready in no time. Number 1, you can paint the walls. This is a very inexpensive way to really spruce up your house. And you can DIY it. Have fun, painting party. But remember, use a neutral color because not everyone might be a fan of that orange that you love so much. Number 2 is your floors. If you have hardwood floors, you want to polish them and buff them up and fix any little scratches that might be in them. And for carpet, you might want to consider getting it cleaned or just replacing it if it's really looking dull. And if you have tile, maybe in your bathrooms, you could do a regrout job that really brings it to life. And there's even companies that'll come out and clean it and buff it, and you'd be surprised at what it looks like when it's clean. And 3 is your landscaping. This is the very first thing that your buyers see when they view the home, even in pictures and videos. So you want to really go outside, take a look, and see what they're gonna see. Check the walkways. Are there weeds growing up through the concrete? You wanna get that fixed. Trim your hedges, trim your trees. Then you can add some color by putting plants and flowers to really make it look nice, and even some flair by putting some outdoor decor. Number 4 is fixtures. Okay, this is another easy fix. If you got some leaky faucets going on, you want to call a plumber out and get those fixed. Maybe rusty drains or hoses, loose drawer handles in your kitchen or things like that. It's very easy to tighten them and get them looking nice. Makes a big difference for potential buyers because they see these little things when they come through your house. Number 5 is improve the kitchen. This is actually, I think, the biggest one because the kitchen can be a real deal breaker for people. So if you have like outdated cabinets or even counters, you might want to consider putting the money in to really spruce these up. You know, and you could clean the grout if you don't want to like change the counters. You can paint the cabinets if you don't want to just remove them completely. All these little touches make a huge difference. And those are my 5 tips to get your home for sale ready. Good, clean living wins again. I'm Jessica Gomez, jessicagomezrealtor.com. Please like and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.